All right, you guys, so I just want to real quickly show you an easy way to make indenting your outline for this speech a lot easier. If you're using Google Docs like I did here, it's sometimes it causes you to have some issues when you try to move words over and indent. Hopefully you just took this outline of mine, delete what I put in and put in your own information. You'd put your title here, your topic. Everybody's general purpose is going to be to inform, and then from here on out, you'd put in your own information. But sometimes you'll run into an issue like this. It's indented perfect here. You can see going down, they're all lined up. Everything's lined up pretty straight. Everything is in the introduction here is lined up, but you'll have an issue like I do right here. I need to move this over. So I put my cursor right on the B, right in front of it, and when I push tab, it screws everything up. What you need to do is put your cursor back right in front of the B and use your arrow, your back arrow, to move it back one. Then push return or enter one time, and now use the other arrow to move the cursor back in front, and when you tab, it'll work. So leave it to Google Docs. I don't know why, but that's the way it has to be to make it work sometimes. So I'll do it again with the word here, serenity. I put my cursors right in front of it. I use the arrow to back up one space. I hit enter once, use the other arrow to move over again, tab, and now it bumped one more word over that I need to fix. So I'll do one more time, arrow back, return, arrow over, and tab. And that's basically what you have to do to make things line up. Once you get to the body, which is right here, and you've just copy and pasted your thesis again. I know your thesis might be the only thing that's more than one sentence. Sometimes the thesis is. Now your first main point, which is A, is going to be over a little bit, and your outline just goes on like this until you get to point B, which is your second main point, and then C. All right, if you have any other questions, just let me know, and I'll help you try to figure them out.